how to make a YouTube account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we're going to learn how we can make a YouTube account. Now remember that we are talking about making an account, not creating a channel, but only an account. And YouTube account is basically just a Google account. So basically to make a YouTube account you have to make a Google account. So go to youtube.com, it will take you to this page. You can tap your profile photo here. You can just go to the sign in button. Now when you go to sign in, it says create account, so just tap on create account for my personal use. Just make sure to enter your first name and your last name, then you can tap on the next option. Then you can make sure to basically enter your birthday and your birth month as well as also the year. Then you can also make sure to select your birth over here and then your gender, tap on next. Then you can simply use a particular email address that you might want to use to log into your YouTube. Don't make sure that you don't forget it. Then you tap on next, and then after that you've gone ahead and then basically selected any of these particular options here. And once you've done that, you can just go ahead and tap on the next option, and then you'll be able to create a password and finish creating your username. This way you should be able to go ahead and then basically make a YouTube account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.